Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Sony FE 100-400mm F5.6-8 OSS lens. There's so much to be excited about with this lens, so let's get into it. Construction wise, it's dust and moisture resistant with 15 elements in 10 groups. We've got 2 extra low dispersion glass elements and 2 spherical lenses along with their multi-coating, all of which help to effectively suppress chromatic aberrations and distortion to deliver clear, sharp image quality across the entire zoom range. The 9-blade circular aperture produces some gorgeously smooth bokeh, while the dual linear motors with lightweight focusing deliver fast, precise and quiet autofocus in both stills and video. When paired with the A7 IV, which is the camera that I've been using today, the focus tracking will keep up with the 30 frames per second continuous shooting. And if you wanted to use this lens with one of Sony's higher end bodies, like the A9 III, then it will also be able to keep up with the 120 frames per second continuous shooting too, ensuring it's easier for you to capture active or fast moving subjects. The optical image stabilization works really well to effectively reduce blur when shooting handheld, and the lens also features some impressive close-up performance. One of the things I really love about this lens is just how versatile that focal range is, especially if you have a particular interest in nature and birds. It's also really well suited to sports, pets, family portraits and landscapes, as it also gives off a really nice compression to your backgrounds. Now, one of the more interesting things about this lens is that it is actually compatible with Sony's 1.4 and 2x teleconverters, so if you find yourself in need of that extra reach, then you can get it. When paired with the 1.4x, you can expand your focal length up to 560mm, and with the 2x up to 800mm, which is really impressive considering you're still left with something that is compact and travel friendly. And that's because the lens itself weighs only 654 grams. Now, it is worth noting that third-party lenses of a similar nature are not actually compatible with Sony's teleconverters. When it comes to the usability of the lens, there's all the familiar controls you'd expect to see, including a focus range limiter so you can limit the AF operation to a predetermined range, and a zoom lock switch, which is actually really useful for this style of lens with external zoom. After using it today, I can certainly see this lens being a great choice for those just starting out on their photography journey, or those looking for a really affordably priced big telephoto, because that is exactly what this lens is. It's not overly large or heavy, and it also offers you dust and moisture resistance too. So it's going to be a lot more desirable to want to take out with you day to day, but also for travel. Now, this was just a quick first look, so make sure you stay tuned for our follow-up video. And in the meantime, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 100-400mm F5.6-8 OSS lens, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!